So this is the 1991 Range Rover Classic that I've had, I guess, for about a week now. And I had a bit of a fuel leak, and I diagnosed it. It's only when it runs, so I think it's, you know, a sill at the top of the tank or something like that. But you can basically see it coming. If you look down here, drifting a little bit, and it's drifting, it looks like, from the top of the tank, and then it leaks down into the bucket. Good news is, I thought it was leaking when it wasn't running, but I put a full tank of gas in it, and yeah, I would say it has nearly a full tank of gas, so I didn't lose everything. But I'm pretty excited about this car. I have to go out of town for work, but when I get back in town, I'm going to be taking it up to Lancaster, Pennsylvania to get some work done on it. Stay tuned.